Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 52 of Trading to a Million by JPS Trading. Date here is the 18th of November 2020. So we've got a long position here on the open. Roughly it's a little bit after about 9 a.m. Something to keep in mind in this video, I was staying here home up until about just after 10 a.m. and then I had to head into the office. So you'll see the trade cuts out basically right out at 10. But I do have a screen recording on my Instagram, JPS Trading, if you want to look at that. That's put in this video so you can see the profit here. But look, this trade started out reasonably well. I was very patient. The first few hours there was a bit of an extension of the domestic markets, so I was expecting a bit of a bull run today, but I was just looking for some weakness, and roughly about 9 a.m. this came into play. So decided to pick up an allocation. I've also got another parcel waiting that if there is some more weakness, I will look to pick it up further. But yeah, this trade seems to be just trekking along slowly at the moment, up until about 9.50, which will be quite interesting. So we've seen a bit of a spike here. So this is 8 a.m. roughly, where the US markets close, I believe it is. And from here, obviously, if the US has rallied the night before and then sells off into the close marginally, not too aggressively, but the domestic markets are still pointing towards a bullish open. Once the US close, this can trigger a little bit of a recovery on the domestic futures. So I just use that in terms of picking up my position, which worked reasonably well. Now we're just waiting for this, obviously. Basically, what I'm wanting here, just in a perfect world, is just a bit more of an extension, and then obviously some more volatility into the market open. So you'll see a bit of an update here shortly. I believe it's going to be about 9 a.m. as you'll see. We'll be just coming in any second now. Just there, a bit of a spike. So I was happy if there was going to be some more weakness. I was going to look to pick up some more, but I'm obviously hoping for this just to continue to the upside. So right at this moment, it's just deciding what it wants to do. So this is right on market open here. So I'm just watching this closely, and if it does decide that it wants to come down a little bit further, come pretty close to the lows that it previously hit about 9 a.m. Or even 7:30 or so, I will look to pick up some more in terms of that. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking of the videos. Comments down below. I've seen a few of you guys are commenting, which is great. Always happy to give some feedback on that. Any questions that you guys have as well. Obviously, yeah, and look forward to providing the videos continuously into the end of the year. Hopefully, we can do some pretty positive numbers. So this is getting pretty low now, so I'm looking to actually pick up another one, roughly, if it can get right down to 6,500, I'm going to be pretty happy to take that. But my TP on this is actually going to be around the 65.30. I've got it for about 65.50 at the moment, but I wasn't expecting it to get there. So 65.30 is going to be fine. Anything above 65.20, thereabouts, I'm going to be pretty happy to take as well in terms of that. So this was right about yeah, close to about 10 a.m. at the moment, just after, and I actually just had to get out of my office at home and hop on the train to get into work. I just had a late night before, so I was just coming into work a little bit later. So basically, when I felt like this established a bottom from my analysis, I was pretty happy just to leave my TPs and stop loss in and just let it go. But yeah, there'll be a clip coming forward, and this is just going to be the profit that was made. Basically, we just went vertical in the next 10 minutes, which was great. So yeah, so this is just a little bit of a snapshot here, as you can see. Nothing too drastic. Accounts just under about 7,300 at the moment, which is great. And there are the profits for the trade, so roughly about $190. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Cheers.